offering a free course, and to collect the registrations for this free course, I use Typeform. And I want to notify my team on Telegram whenever I receive the new free course registration. So first, let's see how this automation is going to work. Then we're just going to see how to create it. So I'm just going to register for a free course as smart user. Okay, so I'm just going to choose the course right over here and click on this submit button. I have successfully submitted this form, and instantly my team on Telegram is notified about the same. This is no magic. This is the power of automation which we're going to create in today's video. Hello all, welcome back to Pabbly, and let's see how to send Typeform responses to Telegram automatically. So now let's see how to create this amazing automation. So to create this, you just have to open your workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. 100 of tasks free every month means that you can try Pabbly Connect for free, and then if you like it, you can definitely move on further and purchase the subscription plan. Okay, so if you wish to purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect, we have a special offer which is just for you. You can get a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect using this amazing discount coupon code which is attached right over here in this video. You can use this discount coupon code which is just for you, but I'll suggest you first try Pabbly Connect, and then if you like it for you and your business, then you can move on further and purchase the subscription plan using this amazing discount coupon code. Alright, so now we're on the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect, and this is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens, and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, we have to search for Typeform and select Typeform right over here. For the event, we have to select it as new entry and click on this connect. Now if you have already created a connection between Typeform and Pabbly Connect, then click on the select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add new connection and then connect with Typeform. Now you have to make sure that a Typeform account is logged in. If it is not, first Pabbly is going to ask you to log in your account, and then only you're going to get this option to give Pabbly all the permissions. So once you get this option, so click on this accept, give Pabbly all the permissions it is asking for because your data is 100% safe with us, no need to worry. Now once your Typeform is connected with Pabbly Connect, you have to choose the form. So I'm just going to create this automation for this form which is registration form. So I've chosen the same. Now keep the response format to advanced and click on the save and send test request. Once you do this, it is saying waiting for webhook response. So in order to capture this webhook response, I'm just going to open my form, copy the form link and open it in a new tab. What I'm just going to do is I am just going to submit this form. For that, I'm just going to enter all the details. So for the first name, I'm just going to keep it as test, last name as user, this has the phone number, this has the email. For the company, I'm just going to keep it as this. And now let's move on further right over here. I'm just going to click on this OK. Now it is saying which free course would you like to opt for. So I'm just going to go for marketing basics and click on this submit button. Now you're going to see we have successfully submitted this form. So let's just open our workflow, and Pabbly has captured the response for the same right over here. Now I'm just going to notify my team on Telegram about this new course registration. For that, let's just click on this add new action step and search for Telegram bot right over here. So I'm just going to search for Telegram bot right over here. So let's just search for Telegram bot and choose the same. Okay, now let's move on further. For the event, select it as send text message or reply and click on this connect. Now if you've already created a connection between Telegram and Pabbly Connect, then click on the select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and it's asking for the token. So to get this token, just open your Telegram account. So after you open your Telegram account, you have to go on the search tab and search for bot father and open this bot father. Make sure that the DP is same. Now click on the start button, and once you click on the start button, you're going to see a message something like this will be shown in front of you. So what you have to do, you have to go on the /new bot and choose this. Once you do this, it is saying all right, a new bot, how are we going to call it? So I'm just going to call this new bot as new form right over here. Now once we do this, it is saying good. Now let's choose a username for your bot. You have to make sure that the username should end with _ bot. Alright, so I'm just going to keep the username as new form underscore tudes underscore bot and send it. Once I'm just going to do this, yes, this bot is created successfully and where's the API token. So I'm just going to copy this API token and paste it right over here. And after we paste this token, just click on the save and your Telegram bot will be connected with Pabbly Connect. After this connection is created successfully, you are good to go. It is asking for the chat ID. So to get this chat ID, what you have to do, you have to make sure that you add this bot in the same group or the channel in which you want to notify about the new course registration. So let's just open the same group. I'm just going to go towards the edit of the same. Now first of all, I'm just going to go on this administrators and add a new administrator. To add the admin, you make sure that you have added the bot in the group. Okay, so for that, let's just add the bot in the group first. So I'm just going to go on this members, add a new member in this group, which is this bot. So I'm just going to simply add this bot in the group. Now let's just go on this edit, and now I'm just going to simply promote this bot to the admin. 3 dots, edit, and then you have to go on this administrators, add a new admin, and simply promote this bot as the admin. And you're going to see we have successfully promoted this bot as the admin. Now let's just move on further. Over here is the chat ID after this hashtag in the URL. So just copy the chat ID and paste it right over here. Before you copy this chat ID, I'll just let you know that over here you have to make sure that your Telegram is in A version. So as you can see, over here is A, then hashtag. But over here, if you see K, what you have to do is you have to go on this menu, then you have to go on this more and make sure to keep it in A version. It is a very crucial step over here, okay? After you keep it as an A version, you have to make sure after the hashtag you're going to find this hyphen. So copy the chat ID with the hyphen only and paste it right over here. Now for the message, I'm just going to simply copy the message from my previous workflow. So I'm just going to simply copy the message and paste it right over here. And in this message, I'm just going to enter the name, and then we're just going to move on further. We're going to enter the email, the phone number, we're going to enter the company name, and then we are just going to move on further and enter the course too. Okay, so these are the details which I'm just going to enter, but we're not going to enter these details manually, but instead we are going to map it. So you must be wondering, what is mapping? So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. So one by one, I'm just going to map all the details right over here, but we're not going to map the details like this. We just have to put a slash, search for the details and map it like this. Okay, so these details will change with every new response. That's why I've mapped it. The details which will remain same with every new response, I've entered it manually. Now it is asking me for many other details, but all of these details are not required, so you can leave it as blank and click on this save and send test request. Once you click on the save and send test request, we have received the positive response that we have successfully sent the message, and you're going to see yes, this message is sent. New course registration, name, email, phone, course and company. And now, like I showed in the starting of this video, instantly whenever a new form submission is received, your team on Telegram will be notified about the same. So go and try this amazing automation yourself, and while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Till then, the workflow URL and the discount coupon code is attached in the description box below. Don't forget to check it out. Thank you for watching. So not only this, but you can connect many more applications using Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubts related to pricing, you can follow this link. If you have any doubts or queries related to sales, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. Both this link and this email address is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I'll suggest you connect and integrate your favorite applications today, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.